Hello everyone. Question is Universal Containers UC is planning to deploy a custom mobile app that will allow users to get e-signatures from its customers on their mobile devices. The mobile app connects to Salesforce to upload the e-signatures as a file attachment and uses OAuth protocol for both authentication and authorization. What is the most recommended and secure OAuth scope setting that an architect should recommend? Option A ID, Option B Web, Option C API, Option D custom underscore permissions. Correct answer is option D. Question is Universal Containers wants to implement SAML SSO for their internal Salesforce users using a third-party IDP. After some evaluation, UC decides not to set up my domain for their salesforce.org. How does that decision impact their SSO implementation? Option A Neither SP nor IDP initiated SSO will work. Option B Either SP or IDP initiated SSO will work. Option C IDP initiated SSO will not work. Option D SP initiated SSO will not work. Correct answer is option A. Question is Universal Containers UC would like to enable SSO between their existing Active Directory infrastructure and Salesforce. The IT team prefers to manage all users in Active Directory and would like to avoid doing any initial setup of users in Salesforce directly, including the correct assignment of profiles, roles, and groups. Which two optimal solutions should an UC use to provision users in Salesforce? Option A Use the Salesforce REST API to sync users from Active Directory to Salesforce. Option B Use an App Exchange product to sync users from Active Directory to Salesforce. Option C Use Active Directory Federation services to sync users from Active Directory to Salesforce. Option D Use Identity Connect to sync users from Active Directory to Salesforce. Correct answer is option B and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is Universal Containers UC is setting up a delegated authentication to allow employees to log in using their corporate credentials. UC's security team is concerned about the risk of exposing the corporate login service on the internet and has asked that a reliable trust mechanism be put in place between the login service and Salesforce. What mechanism should an architect put in place to enable a trusted connection between the login services and Salesforce? Option A include client ID and client secret in the login header callout. Option B set up a proxy server for the login service in the DMZ. Option C require the use of Salesforce security tokens on password. Option D enforce mutual authentication between systems using SSL. Correct answer is option C. Question is what information does the relay state parameter contain in SP initiated single sign-on? Option A reference to a URL redirect parameter at the identity provider. Option B reference to a URL redirect parameter at the service provider. Option C reference to the login address URL of the service provider. Option D. Reference to the login address URL of the identity provider. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.